Hey everybody, so we're going to do a quick unboxing of the replacements from Lowe's for the Lufkin tape measures, the Nite versions. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for your time. Alright, so we're just going to unbox these real quick. I did see that Tool Review Zone did a video, or not Tool Review Zone, but VCG Construction did a video on this earlier. There is a little dotted line. It's kind of hard to see. There is a dotted line on here already perforated. Also, some information on the back. Diamond coated end hook for superior grip. Through hole for scribing pivot or tether loop. Easy 3-inch adder for inside measurements, which is the actual body is the adder. This is exactly 3 inches. Two-sided black blade with bright green markings. Metal guardrails for lock button, which the guardrails are pretty nice. There's a little plastic knob right here. You just pull it up, pop it off the case. I can already tell that this one is a lot better. Does have the foot mark standing up on the back. Front has it sideways. I do like this, the fact that it is very easy to read on the foot marks. It is nice and textured. It has a little movement at the end, but it's a lot better than most. It is straight. The one thing I wish is that these Crescent Lufkin Shock Force 25 footers, the Nite eyes, I wish instead of a manual locking knob like this one, I wish it had a locker just like this one, and I kind of wish that it had a magnetic end on the end, but I could probably put a magnet on here. But this one is a Chameleon Self-Lock Power Blade 2 magnetic tip, and I like this one. It has the magnetic tip. It's got a really nice stiff, very little movement in it, but the one thing I like is you just pull it out. It auto locks, and the way to get it to roll back in is you just push the button down. I kind of wish more companies like Lufkin, even the new Craftsman ones, I wish some of the Milwaukee ones, you know, even it would be nice that the stud would have had this feature where you just pull it out and it locks, and then you just push the button when you want to unlock it. So if Crescent, your guys are watching this, if you can make the Nite edition of the Lufkin Shock Force, even the 35 and the 25 foot tape measures, if you can add the auto lock feature, that would be amazing. And if Milwaukee, you're listening, that would be amazing if you could do it for the stud. You know, the magnetic tip stud would be awesome. So we're going to open this one as well real quick. Just peel the backing plate a little bit. Little plastic knob. Pull it up. Slide it out. Easy peasy. There's a little scuffing where the paint's coming off on this one. It's kind of, oh, you can see it there. Not a big deal. At least the clips. Oh, the other problem on the ones I took back is these clips. You can see how close they are to the body. On the other two that came in the dual pack, this was like really wide. It was like a half an inch wide, like it was completely bent, because it fell, one of them fell off the package in the bag while I was driving. Just a quick little unboxing. Diamond coated end hook. It says high visibility, no glare on the front. 14-foot standout. I'll leave the card up here for VCG Construction's video on this. He did a video on this single pack earlier today. He did show that he didn't get 14 foot of standout. He showed he only got, like, I think it was like 11 foot 6 inches, or no, it was 11 foot, and I think like like 3/4 or something like that. I don't really remember. I'll just leave it up here in the card for you guys to see. You can watch it for yourself. It says nylon 5 times blade life coating, or nylon coating 5 times blade life. 2-sided blade, all light conditions. And again, the part number for this one is L1125B. The dual pack, if you can find it in your area, is L1125B SET2. So it would be Lima 1125 Bravo Sam Edward Tony 2 for that one. And it says 100 foot drop test. Yeah, I'm not really sure 100 foot drop test would be. I don't think this plastic would survive a 100 foot drop test, but you know, it would be interesting if somebody actually did a video on that. But thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates, or check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.